Dear teachers, we are going to see the second online LMS tool, Edmodo. So take the browser and type Edmodo or Edmodo LMS. You can see the website. So this is a logo of Edmodo. So you can click the website link. You can see the Edmodo is loading, and you can see the description, your distance learning toolkit. And more important feature is manage your classroom, engage your students, safe, simple and free. So you can sign up Edmodo class by using Gmail account or any other mail. So by using this sign up, you can give the basic details about your name, email address, password and other things. You can create one account in Edmodo. So I have created. So I am logging by using the login credentials. So now I entered into Edmodo page. So here you can see the home screen and the classes. If you click, you can see what are the classes you have created. So I have 2 classes. If you want to create a new class, you can go to the new create class here, and you can discover a lot of things, the videos or games or the application. You can design your assessment tool, everything. And this is a library. For example, all the files you have stored will be listed in this library. So you can see the quizzes and assignments, everything. And these are the messages you can see. So now I'm going to the home screen. Now you can see my classes and all the classes. These are the classes I have created, and my groups, everything we can see. Now you can create a new class by using class. I'm going to create a new class here. So it will ask the title of the class or name of the class. I am giving, as in the previous video, online LMS. So give the description. So I am giving short LMS, and select the grade, whether it is school or higher education. I am going to either 10th grade or 12th grade or higher education or adult education. I am selecting the option higher education, and after that the class belongs to which subject, that either it is computer technology or subject I can select anything. If you want to select mathematics, after selecting mathematics you can select it is basic mathematics or algebra or geometry, like then you can select. So I am using computer technology, and computer technology only one subject is available. And if you want to change the color of the class, I can change the color, and I create a class. Now you will be able to see the classes after creating the online LMS. Either you can add students or you can explore the class. Now if you click the members, you can see you can add students or teachers. I am selecting the tab students, and after that I am going to add students. Here you can see the invite tab and first name, last name, email. If all these things if you give, automatically Edmodo will send an invitation link to the specified email. So let me give one email, and after that if I send invite, it will send either share code, this is a class code, it will be shared to the particular email, or you can share the PDF. If you see the PDF, you will get all the details about the particular class and what are the things the student has to follow, and the instruction for parents. All these things will be displayed in the PDF instruction file. It is getting ready. Now you can see Edmodo online LMS, who is the teacher, and the class code, and here you can see instruction for students and instruction for parents, and these are the instruction they have to follow. And Edmodo not only inviting students, it also has the provision to invite parents, so the teacher can interact both with students and parents. The parents able to monitor the progress of the students, and they can interact with the parents to develop their learning skills. And the third option is invite by email. So these are the three ways you can invite both parents and students. Now you can see these three tabs. One is post, already we are in the post, and second one is folder, so we don't have any folder here, and third one is members. Here only one teacher member is there. If you want to add teacher, you can add a teacher also. And the fourth one, groups. Suppose if you have members only, you can create groups. For example, in a class there are 40 students. These 40 students can be created smaller groups. For example, creative group, or another category called innovative group, or hardworking group. So these kind of smaller groups or subgroups can be created among the students in a particular class. For that we can use it. For example, the talented students need more assignment than the average students, so at that time we have to give a separate group. Those students will get separate materials rather than the average or below average students. For that the group can be used. And the post is a way we can share the materials and interaction to the students and parents. Here you can see start discussion, share materials, etc. Now I am going to give one announcement. Students can monitor the health here. I can put one wellness check here. How are you feeling today? Like that I can question I'm great. And here if I post it, once the students log into the class, they will be giving answer whether they are okay or not, or if they are struggling, we will know who is not well on the particular day. So like that we can check the health of the student by the polling method. This is called the polling method. And if you want to share materials, you can create materials by attaching the files and images here. I am using files, so I can select a PowerPoint file which is shared like last LMS. Now after learning the material and making notes, so I can post immediately or I can schedule it later. And next one, I can use the second option for library. So here you can see the library, OneDrive, Google Drive files. I can select and attach pin. Now follow the instruction in home and public places. Okay, I can post it immediately or I can schedule the post. If I click schedule post, it will ask the date and time. I can select June 19th, okay, and save date and time. Okay, here June 19th 1 AM. I can change this time also, so I can schedule it June 19th. Here if I want to change the time, I can change 10 o'clock and save it. So now the time, schedule it and post it. The particular materials will not be available. It is scheduled for the specified date. The students cannot able to see it. So by using post, the teacher can interact with the students and post the materials and get the feedback from the students as well as parents. And here the right hand side you can see the plus symbol. This is a tool we can use for assess the students by creating assignment. There are two types of assignment, either create assignment or create quiz. We are already familiar with Google Classroom assignment and quiz. So here we can create assignment by using this first option, and we can give the title descriptive test 1, and we can give the instruction 3 sections. Section A, what is mean by section B? You can attach already prepared question paper. If you have the question paper, you can add it. For example, if I have the question prepared, I can attach it. So this particular file contains the list of questions. The students can able to answer it. Now immediately I can assign it. Now LMS, and it is a scheduled date, whether today I am going to schedule it or not. So I can specify 19th and the time is there, and I assign it. So now the teacher assigned the descriptive test 1, due date is there, and 3 sections, and the file is there. And there is, here you can see the submissions, and next you can use this option for making quiz. As like Google Classroom, you can create quiz either descriptive or objective. So quiz details, quiz title, here internal test. I can give the description here. All the questions are compulsory. So here quiz details, and I can here quiz questions. So here how many questions and how many points you can see, and here the multiple choice or short answer question or fill in the blanks or matching or multiple answer. So multiple choice question is there. After selecting the question type, I can type the question. What is mean by COVID-19? So here I can attach file for this question, or I can attach the link or a file from the library, or I can simply select the answer. A disease, a virus, a treatment. So I am giving 3 options. So you have to select the right one. Either this is the right one, we can select. Here also you can add image for the options. So after making the question, what is the grade point? If it is 10 points, I can give 10 points. Here you can duplicate the question or you can delete the question. Now I can add another question. So the first question is saved, and second question can be a fill in the blank question. Corona is a dash. So I can give fill in the blanks. So I can give 10 marks for this question. So you can add the third one. Like that, we can add any number of questions in the quiz. Either it can be objective or descriptive or the mixed ones. So I can use the match the following. So match the following means we have to give response and answer, response and answer, response and answer. It will shuffle automatically. For example, COVID. Here virus. Here plasma. Here disease. Here corona. Here I am giving treatment. So we have to give the responses and answer correctly. For example, treatment is a virus or disease has to be used. Corona is a virus, so here we have to use here. So disease has to be placed here, and here treatment. Sorry, that's it. Okay, now everything is. If you want additional answer, we can add additional answer. And what is the grade point? Here I can give 30 marks. Okay, so now we can preview. Now this have questions 2 and 3 have errors. Now we can close it and we can see what is the thing. And here please enter the descriptive for the questions. So here match the following. Match the correct one. Okay, and here please enter at least one blank for this question. Corona is here. Okay, so here fill out the answer for the questions. Here I am using corona is a virus. So if you miss these options, automatically it will show where you have made mistakes. Now I can preview it, and after previewing it, now we can see this is a preview and 3 questions, total 110 marks. Now this is 3 questions, 110 points, 60 minutes is the time. So I am using, this is a preview. For example, first question is 10 marks. Here what is mean by COVID-19 disease. So I am using the next one. Corona is a virus. I am using the next one, and here I can match. So this is a treatment, and this is a disease, and this is a virus. So now everything is okay, and I have answered 3 questions. So exit preview. That's all. Now I can assign this question. So quiz question. So instead of 110 marks, I can change the question number 3rd. Here I can give 10 marks for correct answer. So it will come into 50. So after doing all these things, I can assign this question to LMS classroom for the specified date and specified time. I can assign it or schedule it later. So now you are in a position to conduct online classes by using another tool called Edmodo, which is a simple tool. We can use it successfully. It is assigned. You got the message. Now you can see this test is 3 questions, 60 minutes, and the questions. So you can change the timing also. So it is a time for you to practice these 2 LMS tools, and you can implement in your teaching and learning process. And during this pandemic period of corona, students and teachers are physically separated, but you can connect students by using these online learning management system tools, which are freely available. You can explore, or you can innovate the options, and you can use for the betterment of the students. Thank you.